Hello students, this is Nidhi Gautam. Today I am going to start a series on the subject of geotechnical engineering. So now let's start it. Geotechnical engineering. Geotechnical engineering is the combination of soil mechanics, soil engineering, geology and foundation engineering. So first of all, we will start the discussion on the subject of soil mechanics. So now the formation of soil mechanics is known as the pedogenesis, and the formation of soil is depend on the geological cycle. This is the first of all, soil starts the erosion and it transport by some agencies. After that it starts deposition and again upheaval and again erosion. So this is the cycle of soil formation. Soil is formed due to the weathering of the rocks, which may be carried out either physically or chemically. Physical force involved in weathering of rocks are flowing water, ice, wind and gravity, etc. And chemical forces involved in weathering of rocks are oxidation, reduction and carbonation, etc. The mineral constituents of the soil formed due to physical weathering are same as that of parent rocks. But if the soil is formed due to chemical weathering, its mineral constituents are different from parent rocks. Now, on the basis of this chemical weathering and physical weathering, we will define the types of soil. So, first type of soil is alluvial soil. It is the soil which is being deposited from the suspension of running water. So, it is transported by running water. So, this is a type of transported soil. Running water is a physical agency, so it is caused by the physical weathering. This type of soil found along the banks of river of the northern India. Now, second type of soil is lacustrine soil. It is the soil that is deposited from the submission of fresh still water. Fresh still water is a physical agency, so this is the type of physical weathering, and this type of still water is not any transporting agency. So this type of soil is a residual soil. Now third type of soil is marine soil. Marine soil is the soil which is deposited from the suspension in sea water. So sea water is a physical agency, so this is also a type of physical weathering soil, and this is transported by sea water, so this is the transported soil. Now fourth type of soil is aeoline soil. It is the soil which is formed due to the transported by wind. So wind is a physical agency, so this is the type of physical weathering, and wind is a transporting agency also. So this type of soil is a transported soil. Now next type of soil is a colluvial soil. This soil is also known as talus soil. It is formed due to the weathering of the rocks by physical agencies, and in which transportation is by the gravitational force. This soil is generally found in the hilly areas at the bottom of the valley. So this is a physical agency, so this is the type of physical weathering also, and the soil transported by the gravitational force. So this is the type of transported soil. Now next type of soil is Lois soil. This is the uniformly graded wind blown silt that is slightly cemented due to calcium compounds and Montmorillonite. So this is the transported by wind, so this is the transported soil, and it is also a type of aeoline soil because it is transported by soil Wind is, so this is a physical weathering soil also, and this is the transported soil also. Cementitious properties are included by calcium compound CaCO3 and Montmorillonite. Montmorillonite is a mineral which generally present in that type of soil in which swelling index is more. We will discuss about the swelling index in next chapter. Now next type of soil is marl soil. It is fine grained calcium carbonated soil of marine origin, which is formed due to the decomposition of bones and cell mass of aquatic life. Aquatic life means plant and animals both living in the water, and this is a type of chemical weathering soil. Now next type of soil is the bentonite soil. It is chemically weathered volcanic ash that is generally used as a lubricant in drilling. It is generally useful for the pile foundation, and this is the type of chemical weathered soil. Now next type of soil is tough soil. It is finely graded, slightly cemented volcanic ash. It is also a type of volcanic ash, and which may be transported either by wind or water. So it is a physical weathered soil because wind or water is a physical agencies, and it is also a type of transported soil. Now next type of soil is glacial soil. It is the soil that is being transported due to flowing ice. Flowing ice is a physical agency, so this is the type of physical weathered soil, and this is also a type of transported soil because flowing ice is